Okay, so here that what is the given question? The given question is find the equation of straight line passing through that 3 comma minus 4 and it is parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. Here this is a basic equation. So the basic equation, what is the basic equation? So the basic equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and we take the parallel line. The parallel is nothing but these two terms becomes the same. Ax plus by is same. Just the constants will be changes. So here we have a c, it is a k. We need to find the k value. This straight line is passing through the point x1 comma y1. Nothing but just you writing that ax1 plus by1 plus k equal to 0. From that we find the k value. Okay. So here this is the form ax1 plus by1 plus k equal to 0. Find the k value. What is the given straight line? 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. And it is parallel line. The parallel line is nothing but ax plus by plus k equal to 0. And it is passing through that x1 comma y1. Nothing but 3x1 plus 5y plus k equal to 0. From that we need to find the k value. So therefore we substitute that x1 is equal to 3 and y1 equal to minus 4. Then we get the k equal to 11. Substitute this k equal to 11 in 2. Then we get that 3x plus 5y plus 11 equal to 0. That means this line is parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. And similarly, find the perpendicular distance. Find the perpendicular distance. What is the question? The next problem is find the perpendicular distance of the point 1 comma minus 2 from the line. What is the line? X plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So here what is the concept? The concept is we find the perpendicular distance of the point 1 comma minus 2 from the line. That is, if this is a point x1 comma y1, nothing but what is the value? 1 comma minus 2. And this is a line. What is the line? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And what is the here? That x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. And this is a distance. This is a distance d. We find the distance from, what is the distance from x1 y1 to ax plus by plus c. So here what is the formula? The formula is, if there is a perpendicular distance of the point x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that is nothing but what is the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square modulus. This is a formula. So therefore what is that? Here that x1 y1 equal to what is the value? The value equal to 1 comma minus 2 and ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is nothing but what is that? X plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So therefore the distance equal to, that is ax plus x1 plus 2y1 plus 5 by root of a value equal to the, what is the coefficient of x? 1, a 1 square plus 2 square, and we substitute that x1 y1 value, that is nothing but 1 plus 2 into y1 value equal to minus 2 plus 5 by root 5. So therefore, and this is nothing but 1 minus 4 plus 5 by root 5. This is nothing but a 2 by root 5. What is the distance? The distance from these 2 points is 2 by root 5. So how we can solve this problem? That is nothing but, so first we have to take that a perpendicular distance. What is the perpendicular distance? So this is a point, the distance from x1 y1 to this line, that is the distance. So just we substitute that x equal to x1 and y equal to y1 in this one. So that is nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. And here what is that? A is equal to 1 and b equal to 2, that is ax, this is equal to a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Compare, if I am compare that, okay. So this is that. What is the basic formula? The basic formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, and we know the value of x1 y1, nothing but 1 comma minus 2, and given the straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is x plus 2y plus c 2y plus 5 equal to 0. From that, x a value equal to 1 and b value equal to 2. We compare these two. Finally, the distance equal to modulus of x1 plus 2y1 plus 5 by root of 1 square plus 2 square, that is nothing but a 2 by root 5. And next, so the next question is, find the value of x if the slope of the line joining points points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma x is minus 5 by 3. Here that what is the question? The question is given that the slope of 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is minus 5 by 3. Then we find the value of x. So therefore slope for x1 y1 and x2 y2, slope m equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a basic formula. So given that, what is given that? The m equal to minus 5 by 3 and x1 y1, what is that? x1 y1 1 comma minus 2 and x2 comma y2, that is nothing but minus 2 comma x. What we find that? We find x. Find x. If I am taking, this is a 1 and this is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. So therefore m equal to y2 minus y1, that is nothing but x minus of minus 2 by x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1, and given that m What is the m? M is given as minus 5 by 3. That is nothing but x plus 2 by minus 3. 3 is cancelled and we get that 5. 5 equal to x plus 2. From that x equal to 5 minus 2. That is nothing but a 3. So therefore, what is the x value? The x value is equal to 3. So how we are finding this one? So this is nothing but, so given that x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the 2 points, what is the formula for slope? The slope equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And what is the given that? The m equal to minus 5 by 3 and x1 y1 equal to 1 comma minus 2 and x2 y2 equal to minus 2 comma x. Then we find that x. Substitute 2 in 1. Then we get that m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Nothing but m equal to x minus half minus 2 by minus 2 minus 1. Then we get that x equal to 3. So therefore we find the value of x. The value is equal to 3.